Hey guys, I'm Cherise from Herbs of the Earth, and I'm here to talk to you about JointAid. When your joints feel like they need a good overhauling, JointAid is a supplement for you. Designed to help and address joint pain, muscle stress, and joint stiffness, its carefully selected formulation brings much needed lubrication to those areas that need it the most. With nutrients that may help rebuild and maintain joint flexibility, JointAid is a powerhouse with its 4,700 milligrams of glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM. Furthermore, JointAid is a great supplement that may help in post-workout recovery, muscle repair, and tissue rebuilding. One bottle contains 90 capsules. Take 3 to 5 capsules daily, preferably with meals or as directed by your healthcare professional. Give your joints the relief they need with JointAid from Herbs of the Earth.